Hello everyone. Today is Eid. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. So Eid is a festival after Ramadan, after fasting. And today is Eid in Pakistan. So basically what I'm going to do today is I'm going to teach you vocabulary related to Eid, specifically the traditions in Pakistan. So this Eid is called Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr or Choti Eid. Choti means small. Choti Eid. Another vocabulary word is Eid ki namaz. Eid ki namaz is the prayer of Eid that is prayed in the beginning of the day. Eid ki namaz. Eidi is a small gift, mostly in the form of money, that elder relatives or parents or older siblings give to younger kids. When I was young, I used to have this little bag in which I would collect different kind of like 10 rupees, 20 rupees, and I would eat an ice cream or Pepsi or something like that. So Eid is a very important tradition, very exciting for young kids. The next word is Shirma. This is an essential and staple for Eid, and I made it as well. This is a picture, looks a bit brown because I put a brown sugar, but it's usually a bit white. So Shirma is a dessert that you start your day with. Churia is bangles, and people, especially girls, wear them. It's an essential part of their outfit. बहुत प्यारे कपड़े पहनते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा चूड़ियाँ पहनते हैं, मेकअप करते हैं. On Eid day in Pakistan, people go to their relatives' houses and meet them and eat with them, dine with them. लोग रिश्तेदारों से मिलते हैं, लोग रिश्तेदारों से मिलते हैं. Another thing is Chand Raat. Chand Raat is a night before Eid. So on Chand Raat, people gather and view the moon or sight the moon, which marks the beginning of Eid, and it's usually 3 days. Eid ka pehla din, Eid ka dusra din, and Eid ka tisra din. 3 days are celebration and festivity. People give zakat as well, charity. Zakat dena is to give charity to poor or people who are underprivileged. What are the traditions in your country? Let me know, and have a nice day. Per Milinge.